And when we close our eyes and meditate, not only we see what not to do, but some inner guidance also comes in and say, okay, let's do this. When we began working here at Kanha, it's a central part of India, the rainfall was generally about 600 millimeters per year. And that too also, it would come only during 2 months, and the remaining 10 months we will not have rains. And that's where we started. Actually, we were forced to start something like that here because the land was very cheap, and we could not afford to buy something which was very expensive. So it forced us to buy this lesser fertile soil, but it became a blessing for us. We learned so many new things, new methods, how we can convert this poor infertile soil and make it rich. And you can see through our photographs and videos the change that has been brought about.
Each year we are observing the water flow, how rain is coming, where the water is flowing, where we can store. So we want to store the water at the top side of the site. So bottom side automatically land mass will increase, land moisture will increase. So that's how we started from this memorial pond, and we started deepening it, and we revived the pond.
Some of the trees we used 4 crane, mega crane, because 150 over banyan tree. Imagine even neem trees, big neem trees. We can't travel daytimes. So main road. So all the activities, all the drama will happen in the overnight. Every day night, दिन पूरा prepare करेगा, packing करेगा. We will do all the makeup. Then night we will move the plant to the crane. The whole day travel, the night travel, they will reach in Kanha mornings 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
We built a plant tissue culture laboratory, which is called Heartfulness Tree Conservation Center.
Growing biodiversity of Kanha Shanti Vanam is astounding. Earlier we had mainly the neem trees. Now we have over 2,000 various species, of which roughly 354 are endangered species, red listed species. Red listed means something that may not last after 10 years on this planet. So we have enormous biodiversity, not only of the plants and trees. Now it's filled with almost 150 various species of birds. Develop forests by heartfulness, developing lakhs and lakhs acres of land for forest development, forest and small water bodies, forests with species that would promote bird life also, animal life as well. So ecologically it will be a very sound project, and some of you who can come forward and sponsor such events, or if you're friends or if you're working in a company that can afford and extend their hands towards this effort, it will be very helpful. We'll plant the trees on your behalf, either locally at Kanha or across India. Our human interference in a positive way, we can plant seeds in a very systematic way. What can grow here, what should not grow there. So here, special medicinal plants can be grown in groups. So the forest itself can become a healing garden. Rather than a forest, it becomes a massive healing garden, 5,000 acre big. You can imagine, this Kanha is 1,000 acre. Imagine what can happen when you have 5,000 acres. It will be stunningly beautiful.